Hey everybody, thanks for being here today. I want to share something with you that can completely change the way you look at travel, money, and freedom. We're talking about a company called Travorium. Now, I'll be real with you. If you go online and search the name, you'll see some negative reviews, and here's the truth. A lot of those articles are complete nonsense. People literally get paid to write hit pieces on companies they've never even used. These aren't credible sources, they're just noise. So, what I'm asking you to do is keep an open mind. Don't listen to strangers behind keyboards who don't show their face, and don't listen to people who've never even broken free from the 9-to-5 life. If you truly want to become rich, you need to listen to rich people. So I encourage you to listen to what I'm about to explain, because once you see the value, you'll realize why people in this company are traveling the world for less and building financial freedom at the same time. So we have Travorium, which is travel plus business plus freedom. So what is Travorium? Travorium is a membership platform built around two simple ideas. One, travel the world for wholesale prices, and two, earn rewards that make travel even cheaper or even for free. Think of it like this. When you book a hotel on Expedia or Booking.com, you're paying retail. Retail means there's a big markup because those websites take their cut. What Travorium gives you is access to wholesale pricing. It's like the difference between shopping at a regular grocery store versus shopping at Costco. At Costco, you're paying closer to the supplier price. That's the travel industry version of what we have here. Here's an example. Imagine you want to take a trip to Cancun. On Expedia, you see a resort for $1,200. Inside Travorium, you might see it for $700 or even less. That's hundreds of dollars saved just from one trip. And that's not once in a while. That's consistently because you're part of the membership. But it doesn't stop there. Travorium also gives you travel points. Every single month, as a member, you get points added to your account. These points work almost like airline miles, but better, because you can use them on thousands of hotels, resorts, and experiences worldwide. So you're not just saving money, you're stacking rewards that help you travel even more. So here we have a triangle. We can save money, we can earn travel points, and we can get exclusive access. That's the foundation. Save, earn, access opportunities that most people don't even know exist. That was part one. Part two is the business side. Now, travel savings alone are huge, but this is where things get life-changing. Travorium has a business model that allows ordinary people to earn money by sharing the membership. This isn't about selling products door to door. It's about showing people something they already want to do, travel cheaper, and giving them a way to earn while they do it. When you share Travorium and people join through you, you earn commissions. As your team grows, you also earn residual income. Let's pause on that term. Residual income. What does it mean? Residual income is money that keeps coming in month after month, whether you work that day or not. Compare that to a job. At a job, you trade hours for dollars. If you don't clock in, you don't get paid. That's called linear income. So here we have a 9-to-5 job, which equals linear income. You're trading your time for money. Then we have Travorium, which is residual income. Money keeps coming. Money while you sleep. Think about Netflix or Spotify. They make money every single month because millions of people keep paying their subscription. That's residual income. Travorium gives you the same kind of model, but instead of you paying Netflix, you're the one building the subscription base. And here's where the magic happens. Imagine building your team to the point where the residual income covers your rent. That's freedom right there. Imagine when it covers your car payments. Now imagine when it replaces your job. It doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you're building something that lasts. That's why people get excited about this, because for the first time, they have a shot at financial freedom without needing to be a millionaire or an influencer. Part 3 is the lifestyle and the freedom. This is more than just money. It's about creating a lifestyle. What good is money if you don't have time? What good is traveling if you can only afford one trip every 5 years? Travorium helps you create freedom in these 3 areas. Time freedom, not being chained to someone else's schedule. Money freedom, having enough income that bills don't stress you out. Location freedom, being able to work from anywhere in the world. Here we have freedom, which equals time plus money plus location. Let's say you build this business and you're making $2,000 a month. Residually, that's not retirement money yet, but think about what it does for your life. You can cut back hours at work. You can take your family on vacations every year without debt. You can start saving or investing. Then, as your income grows, your time frees up even more. That's when you start living life on your terms. You can wake up in Paris, do a Zoom call for your business, explore the city all day, and still earn money. That's location freedom. That's the dream, and it's all possible here. Part 4 is handling the noise. Now let's circle back to what I said earlier, because people will Google this company and see negative reviews, and honestly, this part makes me laugh. The truth is, there are entire websites where people get paid to write hit pieces on companies. These reviewers never joined. They never traveled with Travorium. They never earned a dime. But they put words like scam or pyramid scheme in the title because it gets clicks. And here's the irony. While they're typing this nonsense, real people in this company are traveling the world for less, taking photos at resorts, and building financial freedom. So, ignore the noise and follow the results. And you gotta ask yourself, why do you believe anonymous bloggers writing for a paycheck or actual people you can see and talk to who are getting results? So here's where it gets real. You've got 2 choices in front of you. Option 1, keep doing what you've always done. Stay the same, keep working your 9 to 5, keep paying retail for travel, and keep hoping things will magically get better. Or option 2, you're on a limited salary, limited time freedom, limited time. Or option 2, start your Travorium membership today. You get wholesale travel, passive income, financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. Stack those travel points, share the membership, and start building a residual income stream that can grow into financial freedom. We have 2 columns here. Which column looks better to you? I know which one I chose, and I can tell you I've never looked back. Because once you taste freedom, just a little bit, you'll never want to go back to living average again. So, the decision is yours. Are you ready to travel more, earn more, and live more? Then hit that link below to sign up. I'll personally welcome you into the team and get you started right away. Thank you for sticking with me through this. I know it was a lot of information, but this could be the moment where your life changes. Travorium is real, the savings are real, the business is real, and the freedom it offers is something everyone deserves. Don't let the noise or the negative reviews hold you back. I'm here to help you get started. Let's build this together. Let's create freedom together. And maybe I'll see you on the beaches of the world. Peace.